Chocolate mousse cake with caramelized apples? Trust me, you need to try this. First, dice fresh apples and cook them with butter, sugar, and a touch of cinnamon until caramelized. Next, bake a soft chocolate cake base and let it cool completely. Fold the rich chocolate into the cream. Layer the caramelized apples over the cake, then cover everything with a generous layer of chocolate mousse. And here it is! Rich chocolate, creamy mousse, and sweet caramelized apples in every bite.
Want to make restaurant-style chicken shawarma at home? Let's make it from scratch. Start with tender chicken and coat it in this flavorful shawarma marinade. Cook the chicken until beautifully golden and juicy. Then slice it up and prepare your creamy garlic sauce and fresh veggies. Load everything into warm pita bread, add fries and garlic sauce. Then roll it up tight, slice it open, and enjoy this delicious homemade shawarma.
Today, we're making the ultimate Spider-Man cake. First, we stack our chocolate cake with rich frosting. Now we cover it in bright red icing and create Spider-Man's famous web design. Finally, we add those iconic eyes. And look at this! Would you eat this Spider-Man cake?
Today, the cutest little chef is making a chocolate lava cake. Every ingredient is mixed with love for the perfect chocolate dessert. A hidden chocolate center waiting to melt. Would you try this adorable puppy chef's lava cake? Follow for more cute recipes.
Blend until smooth, pour, and enjoy.